Are you having a hard time setting up and using the Mail app on your iPhone? Well, you are in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through clear, step-by-step instructions to help you get started. I'll go through everything from adding your email account to managing and organizing your messages like a pro. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Set up your email account. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you find Mail. Tap on Mail to open it. Now, tap on Accounts. After that, tap on Add Account. Here, you can choose your email provider or tap on Other if it's not listed. This can include options like iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, and more. Enter your email address and password. Finally, tap Next and then hit Save to finish up. Solution 2. Navigate the Mail app. To get started, open the Mail app. Tap on any email to read it. If you want to start a new email, tap the Compose button. Solution 3. Manage your emails. You can reply to or forward emails using the options at the bottom of the screen. Swipe left or right to archive, delete, or mark your emails as read or unread. With these steps, you should have no trouble setting up and using the Mail app on your iPhone. If you have any more questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for extra help. Happy emailing!